10 cryptocurrencies to invest in for 10x growth. The first half of 2022 has been significantly worse for the crypto market. Some of the top cryptocurrencies in the world, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, have been plummeting, extensively pushing away long-term investors from the crypto market. There definitely have been some small surges in recent weeks, but these price hikes are just relief rallies that no investor can actually depend on. Cryptocurrency trading and adoption will also supposedly increase and enable investors to gain back their lost money. Here, we have listed some of the best cryptocurrencies in this video that are expected to explode 10x soon. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Ethereum. Ethereum is a network that permits creators to produce their cryptocurrency and deploy smart arrangements utilizing the network. While Ethereum is far behind Bitcoin's significance, it's also far ahead of the other competitors. Even though it reached out years after other cryptocurrencies, it has surpassed its place in the market because of its special technology. Correspondingly, it's the most popular blockchain and the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin. Moreover, it stands to gain even more ground once an upgrade nicknamed the Merge is fully deployed. The upgrade planned for August will shift Ethereum to a proof-of-stake-based consensus that will reduce the number of coins and render mining obsolete. The Merge is also hoped to reduce Ethereum's energy consumption drastically. Although Ether doesn't have the widespread acceptance of Bitcoin, traditional companies are coming on board. Loyalty, for example, is bulking up its tech workforce to make the infrastructure needed to present Ethereum custody and trading services to its clients, the Wall Street Journal reported. XRP. XRP has consistently stayed among the top cryptocurrencies for quite a long time. The token can be used to transfer assets on the Ripple network and can be used to buy, sell, and trade on crypto exchanges and across various paradigms. The idea behind creating Ripple is to attract more users to the crypto market during increasing globalization. Cardano. Cardano continues to remain a popular investment asset, along with some of the top cryptocurrencies in the market. Even though the ADA token is quite volatile, its new Vassal upgrade has garnered a lot of attention from investors. Currently, the integration of the new upgrade seems to be one of the massive triggers that are enhancing the ADA price. BNB. Experts consider BNB as an effective long-term investment, which is predicted to grow in the coming years. Currently, the overall price movement of BNB seems positive. Among all other altcoins, is one of the largest digital assets by market cap and has been aiming to steadily expand its ecosystem through stablecoins. BNB is also expected to be supported by several partnerships and integrations. Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been about the most extended of any cryptocurrency. With its fee and market cap much higher than any other crypto investment alternatives, we can see why it's the leader. It's a smart investment. Likewise, many businesses already endorse Bitcoin as payment. For example, Visa transacts with Bitcoin. Also, Stripe will allow clients to accept Bitcoin payments after a 4-year cryptocurrency break. The bigger banks have also begun to combine Bitcoin transactions into their offerings. Furthermore, while Tesla briefly accepted Bitcoin only, it might again become more environmentally friendly in mining. Thus, in a step toward that end, Blockstream and Block, previously known as Square, is projecting a Bitcoin mine in Texas that will be fully powered by Tesla's solar array and megapack battery, CNBC reported on April 8. Bitcoin also increased in May when the Lunar Foundation Guard confirmed it would make Fortune reported $1.5 billion in loans denominated by Bitcoin and Terra USD stabilize the latter. Decentraland. Decentraland is a virtual reality platform that is decentralized, immersive, and built on the Ethereum blockchain. Its network basically combines exciting features such as entertainment, gaming, and e-commerce to entice individuals and businesses to invest in it. With the rising popularity of the metaverse, the Mana token is expected to explode in 2023. Polkadot. Polkadot is one of the most secure and innovative networks in the crypto space today. This is why analysts believe that the DO token will skyrocket in 2023. With the growing popularity and development of the Web 3.0 domain, Polkadot is emerging as one of the most popular cryptocurrencies among other digital assets. Solana. Solana's network outages have been a major concern for investors. Nevertheless, it is one of the fastest blockchain networks that aims to overshadow Ethereum. Its growing community of investors shows that the dominance of cryptocurrency is constantly rising. Even though Sol is a newcomer, it has shown substantial improvements in its price performance and continues to remain a strong investment option in 2023. Dogecoin. Indeed, Dogecoin was one of the most popular cryptos to buy last year. After all, Elon Musk continually tweeted about it in a positive direction, and that helped the meme coin gain huge returns. For example, at the beginning of 2021, Dogecoin sold for just $0.002. Fast forward to May 2021 of the same year, and Dogecoin beat fresh highs of about $0.76 per coin. That earned gains of over 19,000% in a matter of 5 months. However, the fees of Dogecoin has since taken a marked downturn, with its cost striking 52-week lows of just $0.13. Nevertheless, as a long-term asset, the Dogecoin fee prognoses count the meme currency to surpass $1 by the end of December 2022. So if you believe in this project, investing in Dogecoin now at a huge discount could give you a huge return given the upside prospect. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the second largest meme coin in the crypto market. SHIB's recent entry into the metaverse is also one of the major triggers that are attracting more investors to it. The meme coin was one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in 2021 and has been one of the top cryptocurrencies that Ethereum whales seem to be buying in bulk. SHIB is definitely awaiting large prospects in 2023, making it a lucrative crypto investment. And remember, the information provided in this article is solely the author's opinion and not investment advice. It is provided for educational purposes only. So do your own research before investing. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.